William
Like,
Winchester.
make
Was
it
a
a
kind of
thing,
like
like, we need to go
Winchester.
She
Spent
said,
more than $5 million
Yeah.
building a
Yeah,
new
I know.
courthouse.
Yeah. I'm Jose.
I'm Joanna.
Nice to meet you,
This is Johanna.
Anyway, so
Johanna
we're driving.
Ben Shelby's
We get into
mom
Oregon, we get into
Really?
the end of first grade.
Jeez.
And she's been tutoring her now for 6 years.
30 something years ago, or 35, 6 years ago.
About 6 years.
Oh my God.
Why Shelby, I was just telling
So we're
Renee,
like,
why
this is so
Shelby
great,
being
this
the honor
camp,
roll.
we're all tired, so we pull up the
Yeah.
car, we have 3 cars.
Oh,
She
sure.
deserves it though. She has, she's worked hard.
Marcy and Jeff stayed together,
just is
but
someone
Scott
who
and Bonnie and you and I would trade
And
off.
children.
So your truck,
That's what we
Scott's
are now. She's
Camaro,
so much more
and
mature
then
than
Bonnie and I would
Yeah.
trade
Well,
off.
every year is like
So,
something new about her.
we pull up, we,
And this year,
I used to pull out our sleeping bags and whatnot like that.
Independently. She hasn't even back.
We wake up the next morning. What's it on a Friday? Because we wake up the next morning, do a little league game going on, and we are sleeping in center field.
She's ready.
She could be like, you know, independent.
You would think someone
Yeah.
would wake us up or something, right?
Yeah.
We just don't want to take that risk
We
with the
just don't
senior
wanna-
year.
Yeah, it's too.
Well, I don't even know. Even the story sounds ridiculous.
Are you still taping your
Someone has to come and
No,
tell us.
I'm not gonna publish
Let's try that in
About
college.
the star or something. But anyway,
Has no way.
some of the embellished version is
Uh-huh.
we wake up and the game's already going. I'm sure the game hadn't started yet, but.
But that's
So like, yeah, like everyone's showing up
You
and
need
practicing,
someone there.
there's 3 cars parked on center field. Hey, this looks like a nice grassy spot, let's sleep here.
But I'm sure Mr. Fast will be great because he loved Shelby class.
Well, he was the one I think that
He has so much patience.
Oh,
And
that's
he's
important.
such a kind
Last year.
teacher.
Oh, that's one.
I don't know, I remember we took,
he suggested to Shelby about being the teacher's aide. And when she got her schedule and it wasn't his name, she kind of panicked, so I shot it.
Well, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, and I shot an email to her counselor, and she said, no, that's just the name of the person who's the head of that program.
yeah, that's up there
That
in
was
that
signed
Valley
the kids the first
Rainforest.
week,
Right,
and so of course she got signed. to
Yeah, we
that.
went and we saw that, so we took 2
She
weeks on
went
the road,
right
so
away
we
to
went
Mr.
up
Fast.
to California,
and
up into
first day of
Oregon, up
school.
into Washington.
She's like, I don't know, I have his name on there. I don't
Go
know.
up into
I'm
Canada,
like,
across
"Well,
Canada,
you'll find out.
down in Idaho.
Well, she went first day
River
by
and all that,
herself.
and then ended up
got the
in
signature.
Yosemite.
And the other class is Bible
It was 2
literature,
weeks
which
up
I
and
don't
around, and we
know.
spent a
She
week
likes it.
That's your
that we
fault.
did.
You got her signed up for that.
And,
She likes, no, I didn't actually. She was like, she's so funny. She's like, I want to hear what they got to say about the Bible.
when I got
I'm
home,
pretty sure
I
my
don't know,
teacher's
I
not
remember
Christian. I'm like, oh,
I
yeah. We'll see.
went to the house, I unpacked the things away, and I started just.
She
Unless
wants
she
to
didn't like
just
it.
take a class.
I went and
She
sat
doesn't
on
like
the lawn, like I needed to be
She
outside.
probably
No,
doesn't
not the Bible class.
And even a room was just like, what is
Like
this?
to trade
yes,
that
we're
out
blessed
with
to have a
the
home.
6th
Great.
period
I
bad.
No, it's not a Bible class,
Like, it
it's
just
a
didn't
bad
feel right.
It's the, and
Weird
employment
things.
skills.
Do you remember that one trip too?
She
Yeah.
came home,
We were in
she
Yosemite.
one
And
day.
we drove from
Very
Yosemite.
She
I
came
was
home
we
and
went up to San Francisco last week. We drove from Yosemite
Mom.
down the mountain,
I leave 70.
across California over to Pismo.
Why?
Do you remember that trip? We drove, so it's like on Highway 40, crap something, who knows what. Farmland,
yeah.
nothing there. I remember I had Mike and John Terrell in my
We have
car.
Josh in, we have Josh in,
I have no
Special
idea what
Olympics
there,
right
but I
now.
remember.
Oh,
dang,
yes.
He's trying to
He,
barely
last
get
year,
his
this is his
onto
second
the
year,
beach
he
and
was,
so that's
he
what
won a
right?
silver medal in tennis.
Whoa!
And he was
Good
up
job,
against
Josh.
a 40-year-old guy, because there's no age,
Yeah.
yeah, it's all by a
And we
million,
went
so.
up another time, went to that.
So he was in the top division, and he had to play against this 40-year-old guy who
Camped
was
there for a while.
a foot taller
There's a
than
lot of
him.
camping.
But he won the silver, so he went second place.
Wow.
But the reason why I brought that up
A
is
little bit of
when
hiking.
when
You
the
guys
first
are
day
hiking,
that he
I
went, he
was never much
goes,
a hiker.
he's been playing against,
You
you
guys
know,
did a lot of hiking in
typical
Yosemite.
adults and everything, so he's really good. So he said, this isn't
Yeah, I
my
never-
level of play,
I was
because
never.
the kids are just barely able to play. And I said, no, you gotta stick with it, because when you go to competition, the kids are gonna be
Right, so
better.
picture him out
Yeah,
like
he
this,
found that out.
and half
So
of it
this
is-
year,
So now
again,
you
and
have
we have
just
an
this
even better,
rock,
we just
this
started
sheer
again, we have
face. People would
Yeah.